WordPress is a popular content management system, CMS, that allows users to create and manage websites easily. It provides a user-friendly interface and a wide range of customizable themes and plugins, making it accessible to users with varying levels of technical expertise. Here are some key features and aspects of WordPress. 1. Website creation. WordPress provides tools and templates to create websites, whether they are simple blogs, business websites, online stores, or even complex web applications. 2. Themes. WordPress offers a vast collection of themes that determine the visual design and layout of a website. Themes can be customized to match specific branding or design preferences. 3. Plugins. WordPress plugins are add-ons that extend the functionality of a website. There are thousands of plugins available, allowing users to add features such as contact forms, search engine optimization, e-commerce capabilities, and much more. 4. Content management. WordPress has a built-in content management system that allows users to easily create, edit, and organize content on their websites. It supports various content types, including blog posts, pages, media files, and more. 5. Customization. WordPress provides extensive customization options, allowing users to personalize their websites. Users can customize the appearance, layout, fonts, colors, and other elements to create a unique online presence. 6. User management. WordPress enables multiple users to collaborate on a website by assigning different roles and permissions. This allows for efficient content creation and management within teams or organizations. 7. SEO-friendly. WordPress has built-in features and plugins that can help optimize websites for search engines, making it easier to improve their visibility and ranking in search results. 8. Community and support. WordPress has a large and active community of users and developers who contribute to its development and provide support. This community offers forums, documentation, tutorials, and resources to help users make the most of the platform. WordPress is available in two versions, wordpress.com and wordpress.org. WordPress.com offers a hosted solution where you can create a website without needing to manage the technical aspects of hosting. On the other hand, wordpress.org provides a self-hosted solution, giving you more control and flexibility but requiring you to have your own web hosting. Overall, WordPress has become a popular choice for individuals, businesses, and organizations looking to create and manage websites due to its user-friendly interface, customization options, and extensive ecosystem of themes and plugins. There are several ways to earn money with WordPress. Here are some common methods. 1. Blogging and content monetization. You can create a blog or website using WordPress and generate income through various monetization methods such as display advertising, e.g., Google AdSense. Sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, earning commissions by promoting products or services, selling digital products, ebooks, courses, etc., or offering membership subscriptions. 2. Web development and design. If you have web development and design skills, you can offer WordPress development services to clients. This includes building custom WordPress websites, customizing themes, creating plugins, and providing ongoing website maintenance and support. Freelancing platforms like Upwork and Freelancer can help you find clients. 3. WordPress theme and plugin development. You can create and sell premium WordPress themes or plugins on platforms like ThemeForest or CodeCanyon. Alternatively, you can develop custom themes or plugins for clients or offer customizations and enhancements for existing themes and plugins. 4. WordPress consulting and support. If you have expertise in WordPress, you can offer consulting services to individuals or businesses. This may include providing guidance on website setup, optimization, security, or troubleshooting issues. You can also offer ongoing support and maintenance packages for WordPress websites. 5. WordPress training and education. If you're knowledgeable about WordPress, you can create and sell online courses or provide one-on-one training sessions to help others learn how to use WordPress effectively. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable can assist in hosting and selling your courses. 6. WordPress affiliate programs. Many WordPress-related products and services have affiliate programs. By becoming an affiliate, you can earn commissions by promoting WordPress hosting providers, themes, plugins, or other WordPress-related products. 7. WordPress freelancing. You can offer your services as a freelance writer, editor, or content creator specifically targeting clients who require WordPress-related content, such as tutorials, guides, or blog posts. It's important to note that success in earning money with WordPress requires time, effort, and building a reputation and client base. It's also crucial to continuously update your skills, stay up to date with WordPress trends and best practices, and provide high-quality services or content to differentiate yourself in a competitive market. Remember to comply with legal requirements, such as disclosing affiliate links, respecting copyrights, and protecting user data, when monetizing your WordPress website or providing services related to it. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.